You brought your camera.
Yes, I did.
This is the one you use now?
My little Contax.
And that's how you take that beautiful photo?
This is actually a different camera than I took those photos on.
Okay.
I just got this one.
Oh, really?
I love this camera.
Well, I was thought maybe, would you like me to model for you?
Yeah. You gonna do me the honor?
What should I do?
Get on the table, why not? Maybe a little, like...
This?
Just like, yeah.
I have a very...
Wait, I'm gonna turn the flash on for you.
Yeah, I'm gonna need all the help. I'm gonna need retouching on this one. Yeah.
There's more to this point and shoot than just the hype and luxury. The fact of the matter is, I had this since my birthday last December and only made this video now. I've used this more than enough over the course that I have owned it, and I must say it did not disappoint, especially for a camera that is 29 years old. It is made out of titanium, hence the name T, and 2 as the second iteration of the Contax T series. The weight of this thing really feels premium and feels solid in the hand. What this camera amazes me with is the ability to select the aperture you desire, which is not present to many film point and shoot cameras. To top it off, it is equipped with a 38mm f2.8 Carl Zeiss lens, which is known for its superb and sharp optics. It also has exposure compensation built into it and self-timer. It also allows you as a user to manually focus if you desire. Of course, it comes with its own drawbacks, which I think isn't very many in my experience. It is worth noting that the price tag on this camera has spiked up. This is due to the fact that celebrities like Kendall and Frank Ocean is adding this camera to their stash as a part of their fashion and lifestyle.
The difference is age and washed up views. I can make normal things sound smooth.